So I get a ton of questions about how to maintain Jura coffee machines. So today we're at the Jura showroom. We've got all the different Jura at-home machines here. We're going to go over how to maintain the coffee systems and the milk systems and what you need to know to keep your machine working in perfect order. All right, hey, Jed from Cook Culture. I'm here with Manny, who's the business development manager here in Vancouver for Jura. Manny is going to answer my questions. My questions, hopefully your questions, and we're getting to the bottom of the best way to maintain all of the at-home Jura machines. There's a simple process to them all, the same cleaning pieces that you need, and Manny's gonna help us understand exactly how to do that. So, hey, Manny.
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here.
Of course.
Yeah. So Cook Culture is a fantastic store, and of course, Jura is the top brand worldwide for fully automatic espresso machines. So all the machines have the same pattern of cleaning, very simple. One tablet does the brew cleaning, which after 200 drinks has to be done. The machine will tell you, clean the milk, clean the system. The second one is descaling, which are largest tablets, and that's usually about 8 months or so.
So, and what's descaling? What does that mean?
Descaling cleans the boilers, all the water systems, and that you have to do.
So coffee systems and water systems,
Yes,
are two different systems?
Two different systems.
Okay.
So 2 tablets only, descaling and cleaning. And then the third one is if you're using your milk system, which all the Jura machines have, except the NA4,
Yeah.
have the cleaning cycle, which is done with some little tablets, what we'll show you. And it takes 2 minutes to do that at the end of the day or the following day. Usually you have to do it because if not, the milk gets too
Okay, so this is an everyday thing. So milk is done every day?
every day.
Okay, so we've got a cleaning solution. Is it a tablet or a solution?
It's a tablet. It's a little tablet.
So a tablet for milk
Yes.
that you do at the end of using it.
Correct.
So every time you use it for
Yes.
milk, right?
Yep.
And then we've got cleaning that is daily?
Cleaning is every 200 drinks,
200 drinks. And then descaling?
every 8 months.
8 months. Okay, so it's not the amount of drinks, it's the amount of time. So you put that on your calendar?
No, it tells you. The
Okay.
machine tells you, it talks to you. It says descaling, clean the milk system. Those are the 3 main things.
Great.
Clean the milk system, clean the brew system, and descale, which is the boilers.
And so all the machines will tell you?
All the machines will speak to you, not necessarily speak, it'll tell you in the little board.
Okay, awesome, that's great. So moving towards the machine, so every machine works the same way. So if we're gonna do the regular maintenance on cleaning, it's the same thing.
Every machine is identical. All machines, the Jura thing about Jura is they all do self-cleaning. So when you start your machine in the morning, it'll rinse automatically. When you turn it off at the end of the night or after the end of the cycle, it'll rinse automatically. If you leave it on, it rinses periodically.
Okay, okay. So what do we need for cleaning? What does cleaning solution or tablets look like?
You need 3 items, which would be this is for the clean the milk system, which are little pellets, as you can see, and it's very cool because you just press this little blue button and it tells you the portion.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Then you need these other ones, which are the bigger ones, these tablets, which go in the back part of the machine, and that's for cleaning the brew system, which is after 200 drinks.
So this one here was for the descaling?
This one is for the cleaning the milk system.
Okay, so that's the milk clean.
That's the milk cleaning system.
Okay, so this is the one that you do after every use.
Not after every use, at the end of the day.
Okay.
After the end of the day. So let's say you have a cappuccino in the morning, and then you have a cappuccino midday, and then you have a cappuccino or latte in the afternoon. You clean it at the end of the night or early next morning, because the problem is if you leave the milk, it'll tend to get solid.
Calcifies.
Exactly.
Right. Okay. So we've got this guy here that is the 6.4 ounce, 170 gram milk system cleaner.
That's correct.
Right. And then you've got this one that is the every 200 drinks
or so.
It'll tell you. And this guy comes in the little round tablets.
Correct.
Okay. That's great. That look like so.
And then we have the descaling tablets, which are like Alka-Seltzer. A lot of those old folks like me know what it is, but it's a big tablet, and you put 3, as it says, 3 in here.
Yeah.
3 in the water tank, and
all at the same time?
All at the same time, and it takes 45 minutes to do the descaling, which is to clean all the pipes and the boiler.
And what is descaling? What's a scale?
Take all whatever lime, whatever it might be.
Okay, so like if you have hard water?
Exactly.
Okay,
Exactly.
and if you're using soft water?
It doesn't matter. You still have to do it every year. Every 8 months.
Okay, well that's great. So we've got that. So we've got the descaler, we've got the milk system cleaner, and we have the coffee brew system cleaner. Okay, so we got these 3 things. So when you're buying these, do they come with the machine?
What comes with the machine is a few of these tablets, which are to clean the brew system, and a few of these to do the milk system.
Yep.
The descaling tablets do not come with the machine.
Okay.
Those you have to buy 8 months after you bought the machine.
And would you recommend, okay, so 8 months, but for these guys, would you recommend when somebody buys a new machine, they should get this right away?
You should definitely get some extra, it depends how many coffee milk drinks they're gonna do, some extra of these pellets for cleaning the milk system, and definitely more of these little cleaning tablets for the brew system.
Okay, so that makes sense to buy that all at the same time.
Correct.
Okay, well that's great. So let's go through and do a cleaning. It'd be fantastic to show how one of these, because this is what you're doing more often. No, I guess, sorry. Actually, let's go through and do a milk system, because the milk system is what you're doing on a daily basis, I assume, yeah?
So every machine comes with a little plastic container.
Like so?
Like in this case, this is for the E8s,
Yep.
which is the one we're gonna clean. But the S8 has a different one. The NA4, the NA8 has a different one, but they all have this little plastic container, and not this size tablets. The ones that the Jura comes with, it's a little bit smaller. So how we clean the machine is you go to it says here, clean the milk system. So now you grab these little pellets, and then you just press that. And there it is. It goes into the container. So now you press clean the milk system, and it takes there 2 minutes to, this one says 4 minutes, different machines, but average 2 to 4 minutes. Start, clean the milk system, and it'll pour water into the container, mixing the little pellets. Here it comes. So the water comes and it's mixing the cleaner. So what I want to just show you is the cleaning. Here's the screen, which is similar to all the Jura machines, and it'll show coffee, rinse the coffee system, rinse the milk system, clean, descale. So on the rinse the milk and coffee system, that is if you want to do it manually, or it does it automatically in the machine. But when it gets to clean, that's when you have to have this cleaning tablets, and those are popped into the back of every machine right here. The machine pops it in there, and the screen will lit and say clean, and that'll be after 200 drinks, and it'll take approximately 20 minutes to clean the brew system. Then the next step is descale. So descale is when you're cleaning the brew system, and that requires 3 tablets. After about 8 months or 9 months of use, they go in a water tank. Again, the whole screen will lit and it'll say descale. You press the button, put the tablets, and it takes about 45 minutes to do the cycle. Again, that's about 8 or 9 months after you bought the machine.
Okay, Manny, that's awesome. I really appreciate all that quick and fast, easy, very easy detail. Of just where that starting point is. The instructions that come with your Jura are, sometimes there's a lot of detail in them, but what's the starting point, and that really helps us, which is awesome. So I get people that have problems with the Juras. They ask me questions. They either bring their Juras back. I've found that maintenance is a real issue, that people haven't done one thing well. Yes. What do you find the biggest barriers for people when they run into problems are?
There's three main areas of Jura. The first one, believe it or not, is people do not take the water tank out of the machine to fill it in the faucet. What they do is they usually bring a pitcher, and they sometimes leave the bean hopper open.
Yeah.
And they're putting the water into the tank, and by mistake it goes into the chamber. And, and that's it. The machine is dead.
Okay.
Because it just plugs completely.
Okay.
So that's number one.
All of the water tanks come off the Juras.
Yes,
so what Manny's saying is to take that to the filtered water and don't try to pour it in when it's attached.
Exactly.
Okay.
The number one problem we get
that's great.
is one machine or two a week that people put water into the chamber.
And that just needs to be cleaned, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, it costs money.
Yeah, but it's not, it hasn't ruined the machine.
No, but sometimes it does ruin it because they don't realize it, and then they run it, and then there's a big problem.
Okay, so that's great. That's a good point. I think it's an excellent point.
Yeah. Number two is when they do not do the cleaning cycle of the 2-minute cleaning cycle or 3-minute to do the cleaning of the milk gets solid, quite solid, and then it is not then doing the proper foaming for lattes or cappuccinos.
Okay.
So they bring it here, my machine's not working, I can't get any foam. Well, the reason is you haven't really done the maintenance.
Lack of cleaning on the milk system.
That is correct.
Okay.
So that is huge.
So that's number two.
That's number two.
Yeah.
And number three is that they try and operate in parts which just the Jura dealer, which is we are for Western Canada, can operate. So they start playing with the machine, which they shouldn't open it.
Yeah.
Just bring it to.
Right. They're taking a screwdriver in there.
Bring it to Cook Culture. Cook Culture will bring it here. We're the official center for Western Canada. And in 48 hours, the machine will be back to you.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, and can I throw in number 4?
Yes.
4?
Yeah.
Oily beans.
Oh yes, of course. Yeah. That's a given.
Right.
Any automatic, fully automatic espresso machines, if you use oily beans, what I mean by oily beans is if you put beans in your hand and you pour oil, at the texture is like oil, right?
Yeah.
So you cannot do that because the brew chamber will clog and eventually it's the end of it. Then you have to change it. It's about $400 or $500.
Right. So I like to say predominantly this is a Starbucks bean issued, yeah?
Exactly.
Would you agree with that?
I agree. You can still get beautiful, which I love, Starbucks, but you get the dark bean, the dark roast.
The dark roast, yeah.
Not the oily dark because they have two.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. So I hope those help. I love that water in the bean one.
Oh, yes,
Tremendous.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So I hope this helps. I hope you're enjoying your Jura. Any questions, please throw them below and we'll help you out. Thanks so much.